3 Stuart steam plants before and after. Part 32. This is a slideshow showing the transformation of these 3 old steam plants from what they were to what they are now. This opening image is just a collection of bits and pieces that came with the steam plants. These images are all before and after, and the first of the befores is the vintage Stuart 10H steam plant. Very early tomorrow morning, the 16th of September 2025, I'm going to hospital to have my right kidney removed. I've composed a piece of music, and it's called I'm Going to Be Half the Man That I Used to Be. I hope you enjoy it. Now it's time to look at the Stuart Score steam plant. I really did have to rebuild this engine. And now the best of them all, the Stuart Victoria steam plant. And that concludes the series, rebuilding 3 Stuart steam plants. Stay safe, stay healthy, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Please take the time to visit my main steam models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.